Namalinge test le an thring anzo ya lopsenga ba ma muthi ni to che lopsenga ba gi thumbu sumba dire thring gi thisik di when le dire do when gi thiwa nga yore ni sa chik ne ni shi tsenga ba do when jang gi thiwa che te do an ni tsenga shu la en ni sa tuk di why and why phe chin ta thiwa che nishu tsa tukne tiwa tile sumju bado yore lan shuya yi namba zo thonang chi goya chi khari yore lana tiwa dinde re chik when is your birthday do tik jang wena ina khaw khasa la phen to re lan shuya yi thik to dang jo ro phangrim dikhe chimbu chagi do Penachasana, when will you go back to Thailand lana? And jail Thailand di khari suggest khari ne jau ja chorwa. Bodi ganza thuwa chik jana ani mangbo chik sing du da saja khari ming when will you go back to Tibet lana chikdu sawa chik chaswa. When will you go back to America lana chikdu sawa chik chaswa. Bodi gam ganzo rikbatang thona ya bodu lani shwe yi. Ta chik thuwa dige ki kusab do re da kusab do che ani the wall on the chitu mangu suyayore. When is your birthday laga? When is your birthday? Keranki kekar khadhu re. When is your birthday? My birthday is on 17th November ladwa. Nye kekar ani chinda chukchi se chubni nimola re lawr okay on the preposition roa my birthday is on 17th November my birthday is on 17th November nye ke ka chinda chukchi se chubni nimo res when will you go back to Thailand when will you go back to Thailand when will you go back to Thailand Nikera Thailand la tu lana la lo na digam so go back lana chilo la ora and do yimbe la khadi do yimbe la will the yimbe le jo mounting it when will you go back to Thailand I will go back next month I will go back next month next lana jema ro month lana dawar nga dawa jemala ma loya yin lo chilo che yin lo I will go back next month I will go back next month ti jela ni saksum di when do you sleep ladwa when do you sleep lana kirang khadu nyegi le drwa kirang khadu nyegi yube lo a du dia dadaw de nyegi theji re chidang lo chidang ni kirang khadu nyegi yes when do you sleep when do you sleep I sleep around 10:30 p.m. I sleep around 10:30 p.m. nga around lana yemen chiglo chuchu de chaga yemen chigla manya gi yelo I sleep around 10:30 p.m. when will you return my money ladwa when will you return my money ladi return lana ma loya dir churanja loya jorwa kira ni khadu loya yimbe lor when will you return my money when will you return my money lendela I will return tomorrow lana sani roa I will return tomorrow when will you buy a new car lada when will you buy a new car ladi kira ani motorsawa khadi nyoy imbe lor when will you buy a new car kira motorsawa khadi nyoy imbe lor ti kap so kira buy lana nyor kira motorsawa sawa la new lagro motor la car lag kira motorsawa khadi nyoy imbe lor alana shiglor motorsawa shik I will buy next year. I will buy next year. Nga lo jema nyue yi lo. Next year dingi ne do chaswa. I will buy next year. Why are you late? Why are you late? Ani kera kharichini jelu thep son lawr. Late lana jelu thebe drwa chiu lawrwa. Kera kharichini chipu cha son lawr. Okay. Utang anzo thiwa nishu zatuk ne matab di sumchu badu derda. Ni zatuk ne sumchu badu why chigengi thiwa thile ngayo. I am late because I woke up late. Ani dinalo woke up lana ya lae dilawa lae ki basic re. Thatawati wake up ra wake up ki basic di woke up. Because lana khai se na lo. Tade why thiwale di because pe phejo de because leju. Because lana khalorna khai se na ro. Chidang chena because ke jela jumsen di tangore. Nga chibu cha sun khai se na nga chibu lae ro. I am late because I woke up late. Why are you sitting alone lada? Alone lana chikula sitting lana devara. Why are you sitting alone lada? An kira kharichini chiku de ye lo. I am sitting alone because I enjoy sitting alone. Nga chiku de kai senas nga chiku de kibudus ro. Enjoy lana kipulaur. Alone lan sitting alone lan chibu de ro nga chibu de kibu du lo because I enjoy sitting alone. I am sitting alone because I enjoy sitting alone. Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Kira kharichini ngugi belo cry lan nguara. Why are you crying? Because we lost football match. Kai senas nganso kanse polo jemu dendu di shot song lo. Okay, lost lana short wara. Match lana phazu dendur chin jemu je jora dila match lir. Because we lost football match. Because we lost football match. Why do you want money? Why do you want money? Kira kharichini ngui kugi du lo want lana goedra. Okay, do lana thatawa chidang tingi thech res present simple. Kharichini rang langi kugi dusra. Why do you want money? I want money because I want to buy some books. Nga thep ngui kodus kai senas nga thep ka shinyu dusra. I want money nga ngui kodus because lan kai senas I want to buy some books and nga thep to chamchi ro thep khashi lan digre to cham lan digre thep khashi nyonye thu dusra. I want to buy some books and the dikap su to cham lembo mendo sam lan thep khashi lembo do. Why are you sleeping on the floor? Why are you sleeping on the floor? Kera kharichini shalagangla nyadi yelar ro nya shimba yimbe la ro. Floor lana shalalo. Kera kharichini shalegangla on the floor lana shalegangla ro nya shimba yimbe lo. Because I like sleeping on the floor. Kain sena nga shala gangla nye ra shale gangla nye pe kibudus ra. I like gau ye leider kibudulan gau ye like lan gau ra gau ye slar. Because I like sleeping on the floor. Ya ani thiwa sochu sumju sochik de why re do ngazo why to shana ya sare. Why are you going to Delhi ladwa? Why are you going to Delhi? Kira kharichini Delhi la tugi yuvelar. Why are you going to Delhi? Because I have some work. And the dikap so have lana yo valor. ro work lana lega lo ro because I have some work ladi khai se na ngala lega khashi ye lar ngala lega khashi ye which la tang zu de jam sha ro why chazang ra chito ani which ne ma ya ngzu nyin tung chema de la to yin da la so an changma la ya tu bin se ro wa ye samsu yu na ni nam ju ni shu de de ran so chi se nang se chin ya comment section na li ji min ji len sha ro chi de lan shu yi la so tu ji chen nang have a nice day